interview with Karen Spellman, and we really need your support. And we're asking all those listeners, that talk to me, talk to Sister Zarina, about the type of programming that we feel is important, to have on the air, that do listen to us on a weekly basis, to call a friend and to pick up that phone.
For over 35 years, WPFW has brought listener-sponsored radio to the DC community. 4 times a year, they appeal to listeners to get involved with their favorite shows and contribute. Jazz and Justice is their motto and what they bring to the DC community. Let's take a sneak peek into their listener-sponsored radio and their pledge drive. Calls from listeners that think about taking calls from listeners at WPFW.
Well, my support for WPFW is a part of why I take the calls, and I enjoy talking to the people. I enjoy being here around the rest of the volunteers, and WPFW is such a warm place to be. I meet a lot of people, and I get to sometimes participate in pitching for the pledge drive, so I love it.
We ourselves substitutes.
And what is the pitch drive all about?
Well, this is a way for the station to remain non-commercial. This is a way for the station to raise money throughout the year from the listeners. This is listener support radio. I would like to thank a renewing member, Melvin Costley. Melvin Costley, out of Temple Hills, a fairly sizable pledge amount. We'd like to thank you for your pledge this morning, and we want to encourage others as well to pick up the phone and dial 202-588-9739, or if you're not in the calling area, you can dial 1-800-222-9739.